I think that one is a large Facebook versus Twitter is a question. I think one is a larger platform for all types of social engagement, events calendar, being able to look up my friends, see what my friends have done, all this sort of long-term social network database. It's become what I would consider my modern-day Rolodex. I want to look through and figure out my friend's phone number. I know it's in Facebook. I'm looking for my friend's email address. Let me look and see if they updated their profile on Facebook. But Twitter, I think, is very, very different. They work together, and most people don't necessarily understand the differences. But Twitter is really just about what's happening right now. I don't care about your photos, your events, your social calendar, your email. I just want your thought about what you're doing right now. So very, very quick, 140 characters. What are you doing right now? And then tomorrow, it'll be something more. It'll be literally just a status update of what's happening right now, a link to an important article that you read, a picture that you just took. It's just literally links, and I then, as the end user, get to choose of which piece of this that I may link off to from that 140 characters.